শীতাংশু দাস দ্বিতীয় শ্রেণীর ছাত্র। সে বলল, মাস্টারমশাই, আমি ইংরেজিতে এই স্বাধীনতা দিবসের কি কেন আমি বর্ণনা করব। শীতাংশু, চলে এসো। শীতাংশু, পকেটে রাখো তুমি।
ওটা পকেটে রাখো।
পতাকা পাহা এখানে এখানে ধরো, এখানে দাঁড়িয়ে বলো, এখানে সুন্দর করে।
Good morning, everyone. This is Shatanshu Das.
এটা ভিডিও তোলো।
I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It is my pleasure to deliver a welcome speech on this day. As you know, today is the most important day in Indian history. Today we are celebrating 79th Independence Day of India. India became independent on 15th August 1947 from Abdul British rule. This independence we got was the result of lot of sacrifice and struggle of our great freedom fighter like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. On this day, national flag is hosted on every public place. We can celebrate this day by singing patriotic songs, performing culture and sharing sweets. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together. For the growth and development of our country, Shilada Day is not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind!
জয় হিন্দ।